Hey there everybody. This just arrived. I already took it out of the box, but let's get it open, see what's in there. Okay, there it is. I ordered this off of Amazon. And like I said, I already did take it out of the box. Checked it over. Seemed fine. But it is the Ontario RTAK II. You can see I got a little golf wax on there. But there it is. It's got the, I think it's green or tan canvas micarta handle scales. This is the second one of these that I have. I had one I bought years ago off of Amazon. And it arrived, and I really like it, and I use it fairly often. But when it arrived, the tip of it was actually somewhat bent. But not enough to send it back or to be too concerned about. And I've used it, and it's performed fine. But because of that, I always wanted, like, a better condition one. So I ordered this one. It actually showed like the older logo in the description, and it even described the sheath like it was the older style sheath. But this is the newer one. It has the newer logo and the newer sheath. So I mean, that's fine. I got no complaints about that. But let's see here. This one you can see is quite a bit straighter. In fact, it's perfectly straight. If it would show up very well. But yeah, it's really straight. Really nice blade. As far as I can tell. It does have some wax on it because I waxed it up. But let's get some measurements. Everyone knows this knife. It's been around for a long time. This is bigger than the ESEE Hunglas. So I mean, it's a big knife, and I really like them. The first one I had really impressed me, so that's why I ended up getting the second one. It's like 10 inches on the actual cutting edge of the blade, and the entire knife is about 17 inches overall to the very back of the pommel there. So yeah, and with the micarta scales there, 5 3/4 for just the scales. And let's see what the width is. I think it's 2 inches. Yep, about 2 inches. And let's see here. 3/16 on the thickness. Okay, here it is inside the sheath. It's got 2 eyelets here if you want to put a lanyard on it to strap it to your leg so it doesn't flap around. It does have like a plastic liner inside of this nylon sheath. Then you have the hand guard strap, the finger guard strap there, and then you have this upper strap, which is more by the pommel, but that holds it in really well so that the knife does not slide out. It's pretty silent in there. Then you got a decent sized belt loop here. Put your belt right through there, and it's also Molle compatible, so you can strap this to a backpack or some other gear, or you can just wear it on your belt if you want to wear a knife that's this large on your belt. You undo the snaps, and it comes right out. And you can see that there is plastic in there. I don't know if that's Kydex or if it's just plastic, but gives you that extra level of protection. Yeah, I've been experimenting with I usually just put like Vaseline or mineral oil on my blades, but the last month or so I've been using more golf wax. Like I'll just take the blade and just chop into a chunk of golf wax and pull it right through, and it puts a nice thick wax coating like right on that cutting edge. But then I'll put it on some other spots. I rubbed a little tiny bit on the handles and then take a blow dryer to it, and it melts. And it doesn't feel sticky. It's not too slick at all. I mean, it's just fine. And I think it just looks good. But yeah, this one is definitely a keeper. Real nice, real straight. Let's get some size comparisons. Okay, this is it beside a Glock 78 bayonet field knife. This one doesn't have the saw back. It's the 78, if you can see that. Don't want to show up too good. But these are made in Austria. And they're really, really great blades. This is it beside a Mora Garberg. And this is it beside a Charava Jacari Puukko knife from Finland. You can buy these from Varusteleka of Finland. Awesome, awesome survival knives these are. I really like them. This is the larger 140. You can get a 110, I believe, which is a little smaller, or like an 85, which is way, way smaller. Something like that. But yeah, this is just for size comparisons. Okay, I got a sheet of printer paper here. And this is the blade right out of the package. Just got a thin coating of golf wax on it. I haven't sharpened it, I haven't stropped it, nothing like that. Let's see if it arrives sharp. Not bad. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's not a razor, but it is paper cutting sharp. Even clear up at the tip, it's good. Yeah, it's not too shabby. Could use a light stropping, that's for sure. Okay, here it is beside the ESEE Hungalis II that I recently picked up. Haven't even got a chance to take it out yet. But this is a very nice blade. Quite similar, it's just a little smaller than the original Hungalis. But it arrives very sharp. The fit and finish on it is excellent. This is 1095 high carbon steel, and this is 5160 spring steel. And they're both really, really good. But I just wanted to do a quick size comparison there so you could see the difference. Now, this is about 170, and this one goes for about 85 to 90, so you could almost get two of these for the price of one of these, you know, but it's up to you what you like. Well, there you have it. It's the Ontario Knife Company RTAK II. This big old survival blade's been around for a while. Made in the United States. Really nice, heavy, quality, big blade. 5160 spring steel. Micarta scales. They're actually lighter than this, but after you oil them up or wax them up, they'll get darker, or just with years of use. And you could definitely get a better Kydex sheath, but this will serve the purpose until you do. But I actually highly recommend this blade. I really like it. I hope you enjoyed this video.
This is Joe Doomsday, signing out.